What's up guys, welcome again to Orkiza Garage. Today I'm doing a spark plugs for 2005 Scion XA. So I got my spark plugs right here. Let's see, I got iridium right here, NGK, and I have this part numbers. I get it from Rock Auto. And then the only thing you need are very simple. Very simple. I'll show you. Hold on. Trying to get all my tools. And then trying to save money so I can get the tripod for GoPro. So it's 5/8 spark plug sockets. I'm going to send the link for Rock Auto for the spark plugs. The only thing you need is like 3/8 right here, 3/8 spark plug sockets, and 10mm socket 2, and 3/8 ratchets. You need 3/8 ratchet. Where's my 3/8? Where's my 3/8? Where did I put that? Here you go. Alright, so let's go. So you need iridium, spark plugs, NGK. This is pre-gap already, guys. Pre-gap. And also you need, either you can use the aluminum anti-seize or you can use the copper one. This one right here. So they all both the same. So let me try to use the aluminum one because I always use the copper before and I got no problem. Very easy. This two it's two 10mm right here. That's all that cover here, and then ignition coil is also 10. Let me set up my GoPro, and please, I'm always stressing you guys with this: magnets. This is all my collection of magnets tray. Alright, let's set it up. Let me see. Trying to set up my video. I need a tripod. Alright, maybe that's good enough. Let's see. Alright guys, so first, then first break the this one right here, the cover, engine, the bulb cover, plastic cover, or I don't know. Oh sorry, just 4 on the top and on the side right here. You'll see it. Okay, there you go. So 2 right here on the top, and then 2 right here on the sides, all 10mm. So now let me see if I can get rid of sheet. So now, okay, so all of this are 10mm, all of that ignition coil. Let's see, let me try to set it up. GoPro. Alright guys, so it's all 10. Here, first, second. Oh shit. Need that. I have the swivel. Okay, there you go. Easy peasy. Easy peasy, guys.
Getting bold now.
Oh yeah. I'll get that one. Cause my car, they stole my catalytic. That's why sometimes when I start my car, it's loud.
Yeah.
Because they cut the exhaust.
You know you can get a lock thing for that too.
Oh, I just got it.
Good.
So
Put it on you.
so now I'm just trying to get the exhaust, cause those are expensive. Like 4K from the dealer. So I'm looking for the cheaper one. So
Try eBay.
hopefully I find it.
You will.
Because sometimes it's hard to find.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
That's the other problem.
Because I've learned. I had a friend that had one.
Oh
she
yeah.
had to get one.
Hopefully some aftermarket.
Hello, youngster. Hey, you can bring it back.
Oh, fuck. Alright guys, so I broke one of the tablet. I had the clips, so I had to freaking get it from eBay. So this one right here are very tricky.
My friend,
Hey,
I take out of the water
all right,
as much as I can.
that's fine. Yeah, so just get a battery,
Okay.
and then we'll see if it starts. If
Okay.
it doesn't start, there's something else.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just get a new battery.
For now, and then
For
we'll
see.
we'll go from there.
Okay.
And then
I'll let her know.
dry it, dry it,
Yeah.
and then that should be fine.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right.
Okay,
Thanks. Alright guys, so I broke one. I know I buy one of this before. I just have to find where they are. Just be careful with this next time. You know, lesson learned. If it break, it break. You know, you get because you can replace it. So just next time, just be careful with that. Okay, and then hoping it doesn't get the check engine later on. So I know I'm gonna get a check engine. Okay, time for to put the spark plugs. To take off the spark plugs. And then the torque for this are 13. So I can put like 14, 15 because you have the long extension. Well, it's not that bad. They had the basic Denso. There's nothing wrong with the basic one, but you get the radium, much better. So this one is still okay, but you know, you have to change it. It's for the maintenance. Oh, this one is, it's more darker, so it's getting burned out. And then after that, just snug, just to make sure that, just to make sure they're really tight. Okay, that's good to me. Now I have to wait for to buy the clips because it's messed up. One of the number one cylinder, the clips are broken, so I have to buy the connectors. Because I know sooner or later I'm gonna have a misfire.
Okay, my friend.
All right.
There it is.
Thank you. I'll get it right now.
Okay.
I'll go to O'Reilly's.
Cool. Thank you.
All right. Okay, so right now I'm not gonna put, it's all good now, so now I'm not gonna put the cover yet. I'm gonna see how it run. Hopefully I don't get the misfire right away, but I'm sure I'm gonna have a misfire. All right, hold on. And this one right here, guys, it's the, for the oil, when you're doing oil change, it's a pick, it's like the flat pick. So this one is really helpful if you're doing some of the Asian connectors or doing some sensors, because some of the plastic getting brittle. So this is really helpful. Learn the lesson from here. Got it right here. I'll try to look for online and then put the link below where you can get it, and then I'll check on eBay or some other website, but I'll put the link for this one or other tools for the picks. I'll put it in. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see. Going to fire up. So far so good, but I know later on, hopefully I don't get a misfire. We'll get it later on, but I'm going to look for eBay now, or even go to the dealer just to buy the connectors, just to make sure I don't get misfire along the way. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys like and subscribe my video. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel, so let's like and subscribe to grow the channel so I can put more video. All right, guys. Thank you.